Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw Jasmine from the movie Aladdin. To begin, we're going to make a U shape for her head, going from one side to the other, right there. Perfect. Let's start making her hair. Putting a curved line right there, going up a little bit, and make another curved line going up. And then we're going to make another curved line going down. And a tiny little curved line to close it up. Perfect. Let's continue. So we're going to make a tiny line going out and then make another line, a big curved line going up. Here we go, up. And then another curved line going all the way around. Up higher and stop right there. And make another line from the inside going down. So I'm going to start from the center right here and make my way down. Great, because her hair is up and it has a lot of volume. We're trying to show that. Next, I'm going to close that line by making an upward curve line. And now I'm going to make another downward curve line. This is going to help be her earring. And one more. Let's make the other earring. Line right there. Another line right here, and then a curved line for the bottom. Almost looks like triangles. Let's continue making her hair. You're going to go by her earring and make a curved line, tiny curved line right there. And then the other side have another tiny curved line. Let's make her neck connecting that line. And then I'll make another curved line right here, but that's not going to connect to anything. We're going to start making her body. So we're making a curved line connecting right here. This is her top, making an M shape right here. And then we can make another curved line to close up the sleeve and then a down line. There's going to be a horizontal line, but I first want to just make this down line right here. And now I can connect the bottom of her shirt. There we go. All right, let's make her belly, making a curved line right there, tiny curve, and a V for the top of her pants. Connecting that right there. All right, let's start going down. Her pants are really puffy, so we're going to go on an angle and then make sure we make a curved line on the bottom and then go up. But not all the way to the top. We're going to leave some space there. And we're going to connect that line right there for the other side, going to the right, and then up around again. So we have our pants. Now let's make some shoes. Super simple. Make a line down and curve. Down, around. There you go. And her arms, very narrow V. Yeah, there we go. And then make another narrow V. Hands and arms in one. Love it. Let's continue making her hair. So we're going to make a hair tie, making a diagonal line right here, going down, whoop, like a slide. So fun. All right, let's close it up by making another curved line to her feet. Awesome. Now she needs some accessories. So I'm going to make her headband, making a curved line going to the middle of her head. One, and another curved line right here. I'm going to do the same thing going upward. Curve. And then I'm going to finish off right there. Yes. Okay. And let's make a circle. And then we're going to make a smaller circle. Ooh, I want to fix that. We're going to make a smaller circle inside. There we go. And let's make these facial features so that she has a face. I'm going to make a large oval for her eye. I'm going to go over here, make another large oval for her other eye. And make a tiny circle inside. another oval and tiny circle on the inside. And I'm going to quickly color this in because it always looks funny for you YouTubers out there. Okay, let's make the rest of her facial features. Making tiny eyebrows there, making that last one peek through, and a smile. Awesome, we did it! Now our Jasmine just needs to get colored in for it to be complete. You can use markers, crayons, colored pencils, whatever you feel comfortable or whatever you have at home. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.